Let's now try an even bigger number. How about 1980 divided by 9? So again, let us follow the steps for long division in order to answer this question. First, we write the dividend on the right and the divisor on the left. So that's 1980 and 9. Then we put a long division symbol between the dividend and the divisor. Next, we find the leftmost digits of the dividend that we can divide the divisor by. Since the leftmost digit is 1 and that is smaller than 9, or in other words, we can't fit at least one 9 in a 1, then we are going to choose 2 digits instead, which in this case is 19. Since we can divide 19 by 9, or since we know that there are 2 9s within 19, we can use 19. After that, we write how many of the divisor 9 is in that digit that we chose. Or in other words, how many 9s are in 19? Of course, the answer is 2. So we put that answer above the digit that we divided, which is 19. Next, we multiply that answer to our divisor. So we multiply 2 to 9. And we write that answer below the digits that we chose for the division, which is 19. Since 9 times 2 is 18, we're going to write that below 19. After that, we are going to subtract the answer of our multiplication to the digits that we have selected for division. So 19 minus 18 is 1. After that, we bring down the next digit of the dividend, which is 8, and put that beside the answer of the subtraction. So doing that, we get the number 18. And then we repeat step 4. We keep on repeating this until no more digits are left to bring down from the dividend. Next, we divide 18 by 9. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. We put that answer on top of the digit that we just brought down, and we multiply that answer to our divisor, which is 9. So 9 times 2 is equal to 18 as well. Next, we perform subtraction of the answer of that multiplication to the number that we just divided, which is 18. And 18 minus 18 gives us 0. But we can't stop here because there's still a digit left from our dividend, and we need to bring that down. So we bring down 0 and then perform division again. So 0 divided by 9 is 0 because there are no 9s in the number 0. So we put that answer on top of the digit that we just brought down, and then we multiply that answer to our divisor. So 0 times 9 is 0. We put that answer below the digits that we just divided, and then we perform subtraction. So 0 minus 0 is just 0. Since there are no more digits to bring down, this tells us that this is the end of our long division process. And then we look at the number on top of our division symbol, and that number is the answer to the question 1980 divided by 9, which is 220. Was this lesson helpful? Go share it now to your family and friends by tapping or clicking the share button. Here are videos and playlists you could watch also. Keep on learning!